how we do the color mixing using the tablet. I'm going to click on the color mixing document. You'll see two documents. We want the color mixing blank one, .jpg. Click download. Once you download, you will see it pop up on the bottom of your window and also in your docs. What I want you to do is go to Photoshop, do File New. We're going to do a print document, letter size. So you'll click that and then you'll click Create. I'm clicking Close because I already have one open. And then you want to go to File, Place Embedded, and the embedded file you're going to place is the colormixing.jpg that we just downloaded. Once you place it in it, you need to right click, say rotate clockwise. Then you are going to move it up to the corner and then grab the other corner, hold shift to do this proportionately, and drag this document down so that it takes up the page. Hit enter when you're done. Then click the padlock. Now what I'm going to show you is how we want to do color mixing. The first thing we're going to do is create a marquee, a rectangular marquee over the first box. This first box is going to be yellow. So we are going to go here to the foreground, select a yellow color, and then we're going to click the paint bucket. Oh, I'm sorry, we forgot to create a new layer. Create a new layer first, and then you can fill that with yellow. Then we will click on the marquee, grab this marquee, and drag it down over the last box. Now you want to click the foreground again, click red, select a red color. We'll use the paint bucket. And for those of you who can't remember the paint bucket, wherever you see the gradient tool, click the gradient tool and hold it, and then you'll see the paint bucket as a second tool. You'll then paint that one. Now you'll go back to the marquee tool by clicking the letter M. Drag this marquee up, and then you again are going to click the paint bucket tool and fill it with red. The reason you're filling it with red is because we are going to do some paint mixing. So now you need to use your digital tablet. We're going to use the eyedropper and sample the yellow that we used in the first box. I'm going to go back to the paintbrush and we're going to use our paintbrush tool. You can make the brush size larger by hitting the brackets right next to the P. You have the one that'll make your brush size smaller. The right one will make it larger. You are going to lightly, remember we set the tablets to have pressure sensitivity. So we will fill that, paint lightly over it to create an orange. And there you go, you have a nice orange. You will then select the marquee tool, move this marquee up again, click on the eyedropper. You are going to sample the orange you just created, and then you can use the paint bucket to fill that as well. And then what you want to do is use your eyedropper tool, sample the yellow again, go to the paintbrush, and then we again are going to lightly paint over that because we want a yellow orange. Remember when we do scales in color, you always have one